I will say the word, say the letter, and then you say the letter, and then the sound. Letter D, sound D. Your turn. Letter, sound. Good job. I like how everyone's looking at the teacher and doing the motions. Good job. Letter W, sound W. Your turn. Letter, sound. Good job. Letter B, sound B. Your turn. Letter, sound. Good job. Letter U, sound ah. Your turn. Letter, sound. Good job. Letter O, sound ah. Your turn. Letter, sound. Good job. My turn. Letter X, sound X. Your turn. Letter, sound. Awesome. Letter U, sound Y. Your turn. Letter, sound. I heard you. Good job. It's my turn. Letter V, sound V. Your turn. Letter, sound. Good job. I even saw you do this. Great job. I'm looking for the whole class doing it. We're ready. Letter Q, sound. Your turn. Letter, sound. Nice job. My turn. Letter J, sound J. Your turn. Letter, sound. Nice job. Letter E, sound eh. Your turn. Letter, sound. Nice job. My turn. Letter R, sound R. Your turn. Letter, sound. Awesome. Good job. My turn. Letter H, sound. Your turn. Sound. Nice. My turn. Eyes, eyes. Good job. Letter G, sound G. And it's coming from your gut. You're sticking it in. You're going G each time. G. G. Your turn. Letter, sound. Awesome. Good job. My turn. Letter L, sound L. Your turn. Letter, sound. Nice job. My turn. Letter I, sound I. Your turn. Letter, sound. Good job. I even saw you do the motions. You're doing great. My turn. Letter F, sound. Your turn. Letter, sound. Nice job. My turn. Letter N, sound and I can feel that sound in my nose. Your turn. Letter, sound. Nice job. And I even saw your nest. Good job. My turn. Letter Z, sound Z. Your turn. Letter, sound. Great job. Now it's my turn. Letter K, sound K. Your turn. Letter, sound. Nice job. Now I'm going to put up 2 cards. You're going to say the one that has more. Good job. Is it this one? Nope, it's the one that has 8. Good job. Another 2 cards. Which one is it? Yep, it's the one that has 5. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Which one has more? Is it this one or this one? Which one has more? You're right. It's the one that has 10. Good job. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Okay, here we go. Which one has more? You're right. You're counting them. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 5, 6, 7. You're right. It's the 9. Good job. Now which one has more? Look. Which one has more? You're right. It's the 6. It's not the 1. It's the 6. So if I had 3 and I went 3, 4, 5, 6. The one that has more is the 6. Good job. All right, we're going to do another one. Let's see if you can get it. 3. Good job. All right, I'm going to say 2 words, and if they rhyme, you're going to go. If they don't, you're going to go. All right, here we go. Mat, cat. Your turn. Mat, cat, at. I heard at the end. Good job. Okay, this is the next one. Listen. Gum, can. You do it. Gum, can. Nope, they don't rhyme. They don't end the same. Gum, k, an. Okay, next one. Eyes, eyes. Ears, ears. Wet, jet. You do it. Wet, jet. I see thumbs up. What's the ending? At. Good job. Okay, let's do another one. Eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Mad, dad. Your turn. Mad, dad. They do rhyme. What's the ending? Add. Very good. Okay, next one. Eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Hot cup. Hot cup. Nope, they don't rhyme. Good job. Next 2 words. Eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Bad not. Bad not. No, they don't rhyme. They're not the same ending. Okay, next one. Red bed. Do it with me. Red bed. Oh, they do rhyme. What's at the end? Ed. Good job. Eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Good job. Zip, lip. Your turn. Zip, lip. Ip. Right. They rhyme. Good job. Next 2 words. Eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Fit, tub. Fit, tub. Nope, they don't rhyme. Wow, you guys are smart. Next 2 words. Eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Yum, gum. You do it. Yum, gum. Is at the end. They do rhyme. Good job. Now we're going to do the word that has the beginning sound at the beginning. So we're going to do, I'm going to say a word, then you're going to say a word, and then you're going to say the beginning sound. Okay, get your beginning sound up. All right, good job. All right, it's my turn. Cup. You say the word. Cup. K is the first sound you said. Good job. Let's do the next one. Food. Your turn. Food. F was at the beginning. Good job. Next word. Home. Your turn. Home. What's that beginning sound? You said at the beginning. Good job. Next word. Key. What's the word? Key. First sound. K. You said k first for key. Good job. Next word. Man. Your turn. Man. First sound. Good job. Next word. Pet. What's the word? Pet. P was the first sound. Good job. Ride. Your turn. Ride. First sound is Good job. You even had your hand up like this. Wow, good job. Tag, your turn. Tag, first sound is T. Good job. Next word, watch. What's the word? Watch, first sound is W. Good job. Next word, zoom. What's the word? Zoom, first sound is Z. Good job. Now, I'm going to say two words and you're going to make it a compound word, putting it together. Apple sauce. Applesauce. Good job. Next two words. Backbone. Backbone. That's what I heard you say. Good job. Footprint. Footprint. Good job. Next two words. Campfire. Campfire. Good job. Seaweed. Seaweed. Good job. Sunflower. Sunflower. Awesome. Beehive. Beehive. Good job. Doll house. Dollhouse. Excellent. Without. Without. Good job. Eyesight. Eyesight. Wow, you're doing great. Put your hand on your back and say, I'm doing so good. You sure are. Now we're going to do the ending sound. Get your ending sound hand up. The one at the end. And when you say the word, it's the last sound you say. All right, here we go. Keep. What's the word? Keep. What's that last sound? P. Good job. Next word, vase. What's the word? Vase. Last sound. S. Good job. Not. Not. Last sound is T. Good job. You're doing so good. Next word, does. Does. Last sound is Z. Good job. Next word, eyes, eyes. Knob. Knob. Last sound, B. Good job. Cold. What's the word? Cold. D is the last sound. Good job. Self. What's the word? Self. Last sound is F. Good job. Bag. What's the word? Bag. Last sound is G. Good job. Page. What's the word? Page. Last sound is J. Good job. Take. What's the word? Take. Last sound is K. Good job. Now, I'm going to say a compound word, and you're going to put it apart. Here we go. Girlfriend. I heard girlfriend. Excellent. Beanbag. I heard bean bag. Excellent. Next word, oatmeal. I heard oatmeal. Good job. Next word, milkshake. Milkshake. Excellent. Next two words, popcorn. I heard popcorn. Excellent. Myself. I heard myself. Great job. Overnight. I heard overnight. Excellent. Next word, you're going to put it apart. Washcloth. I heard washcloth. Excellent. Doorway. I heard doorway. Excellent. Put your hand like this and go, good job, brain. Excellent.